Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with EPICURE. I am super comfy in my comfy sweater. Oh my goodness, this is like the best sweater ever. It feels like a towel. I just thought that I would mention that to you guys. I was just about to take off my makeup and then I thought, oh yes, I have to do a video because I am having another event March the 2nd. So that is coming up because it is already February 27th. Wow, time goes by so fast. So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Come on in, you guys, have a look because I'll be doing a live event. I think I said 7 p.m. Eastern time, but I do have that in my Facebook group where I will be talking about our March specials. Plus, I'll be talking about ways that you can cook and prepare things in the kitchen when you are sick, if you're sick, and how to prevent sickness from happening. It's a good time because everybody's getting sick these days, honestly. I was sick about a month ago, and that's the last thing you want to do is cook, right? But you're kind of hungry and you want foods that will help to nourish your body to get better quicker, right? So I'll be talking about some amazing epicure ways to make some yummy soups and just sort of easy meals. So if you are sick or somebody in your family sick and you're cooking, just, ways to make things easier. And like I said, I'll be talking about the March special. So I'll leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Everybody's welcome. I'll be going live for about 1 hour. So I will see you guys all very soon. And I don't know if you guys saw the one from last month, but I did upload that onto YouTube as well. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a nice night.